So this is one you cannot miss. But we're giving you alpha that anybody who can do transactions in crypto can farm and earn free money. So worth keeping an eye on this if you're bullish on Deepin and they have a confirmed airdrop. But this is where the alpha is. This is where the money is. It's a very technical project. Worth keeping an eye on this confirmed airdrop. We're now giving more alpha. This time, no money included, except maybe for gas fees or bridging or airdrop farming. But we're giving you alpha that anybody who can do transactions in crypto can farm and earn free money. All right, the first confirmed airdrop, Starknet. What is Starknet? Starknet is a scalability solution. In essence, it's an Ethereum ZK rollup. On this list, there will be a lot of ZK rollups, a lot of heavy, deep technical projects, but this is where the alpha is. This is where the money is. This got a code review score of 92%. This is as legit as it gets. The big narratives here, ZK rollups and layer 2. Its big competitors, Linear, Scroll, Tyco, ZK Sync, and Polygon ZK EVM. They've raised over $100 million at an $8 billion valuation. That is a lot of money. That is a lot of backing. This is as deep as it gets. They have deep pockets, so they're not going away anytime soon. They've raised capital from investors such as Paradigm, Sequoia, Tiger Global, even 3 Hours Capital back in the day. And guess what? Their ecosystem is growing in developers. Looking at the developer activity report, as of October, Starknet has gained 14% in developers in the last year, and in the last 2 years, over 600% growth in developers. Definitely worth keeping an eye on this and going to the community, trying to earn the airdrop. Up next on the list, one of our investments at Token Metrics Ventures. This is worth keeping an eye on, not financial advice. Peak. What is Peak? Peak is a layer 1 blockchain for Deepin. It's quoted 89% in technology in code review. That's why we invested. The big narratives here, Deepin, layer 1. This is, in essence, a direct competitor to Solana. Solana is the leading L1 right now for Deepin with HiMapper, Helium Mobile, and this will compete with IRTX. They've raised $6 million. The lead investor was Fundamental Labs. In addition to us, it was also Master Ventures, GSR, and some other big funds. And this is their ecosystem. So they already have traction. They already have good fundamentals. They already have people actually building on their L1. And they actually have a testnet called Crest. It's kind of like the Kusama or the Moon River for Peak. So worth keeping an eye on this if you're bullish on Deepin and they have a confirmed airdrop. Up next, Dimension. This is basically a blockchain platform for rollups and building modular rollup chains. Tech score, 87%. So the tech is solid. The big narratives here, rollups, modular blockchains, and app chains. Its competitors include Caldera, Outlayer, OpSide, but a very deep project. There is $6.7 million in a private token round. Investors include Big Brand Holdings and Cogitant Ventures. So what does this do in essence? Well, everything is going modular, especially with the Ethereum ecosystem. So you have the data availability layer, you have the settlement and consensus layer, and you have the execution layer. So when it goes modular, everything is being broken up where you have different layers specializing. It's kind of like putting puzzles together. As opposed to having one chain do everything like Ethereum or Solana, you have different aspects do everything. So this lets anybody spin up their own rollup chain or app chain very quickly. Up next, Movement. This is also one of our investments worth keeping an eye on this. We invested in their seed round. We ended up doubling down based on the traction, how well they're doing. But what is this? This is a modular blockchain using the Move VM, Move programming language. Worth keeping an eye on this if you're bullish on Aptos and Sui ecosystems. Code review scored 85%. The big narratives here, Aptos, Sui, modular, cross-chain. So how does this work? So let's say you're a developer. You want to launch a blockchain using Move programming language. You can create a Move app, a Move dApp, and have it run on Ethereum, have it run on Avalanche, have it run on other blockchains. So it's modular, but you don't have to learn Solidity. You don't have to learn all these other complicated programming languages. If you already know Move, if you think Move is optimal, because Move ecosystem has been doing well in terms of developer growth, this lets you do that via an L-tier. So its competitors include Roosh Network, Eclipse Builders, Arbitrum, Optimism, and they've raised $3.4 million. Investors include Borderless Capital, Wormhole, DAO5 Blizzard Fund, which is an ecosystem fund for Avalanche, Token Metrics Ventures, and some others like Various Capital. And this kind of gives you an idea of how this works. They're taking Move programming and letting you build modular with it. It's a very technical project, worth keeping an eye on this. Confirmed airdrop. Okay, up next, Layer 0. This is a big one, everybody knows about this airdrop, but worth covering. Layer 0 is an interoperability protocol that connects blockchains, over 50 blockchains and counting. So omni-chain and interoperability and cross-chain is a big narrative for this. Contribute score, 85%. Competitors include Cosmos, Polkadot, Chainlink CCIP, XLR, Connext, ZetaChain. They've raised over $120 million at a $3 billion valuation with some legit investors, including A16Z Crypto, Sequoia, OpenSea, Franklin Templeton, Lightspeed, NGC Ventures. They've raised a lot of money. They'll be around for a while, and their airdrop is coming soon. And they have a big ecosystem of builders. So this is one you cannot miss. So those are the confirmed airdrops. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, we have even more content for you at Token Metrics. Get there using the link down below.